We are defining now the relationship between the numbers a square, and a cube with the reciprocals of these also. Let's say we define the things like this on the number line system, which is denoted by a value there. Let's say this is the number line. Here it is 0, here it is 1, and here it is -1. So this is the number line system there. Now we are defining it in the categories that if a is greater than 1, let's say the point is on the right side of this one there. So this means that let's say a is equal to 2. Then if a is equal to 2, then a square is equal to 4, a cube is equal to 8, a power 4 is equal to 16, and onwards like that. So this indicates that a is less than a square, is less than a cube, and so on. So when a is after 1, then a is less than a square, is less than a cube, is less than a power 4, and so. Second part of this one is when a lies between 0 and 1. So let's say a value is equal to 0.5. Then a square will be equal to 0.25. A cube will be equal to 0.125. So we have seen it there that the value of a is more than a square, is more than a cube, and like this. The third part of this is when a lies between -1 and 0. For example, a value is equal to -0.5. If a value is equal to -0.5, then a square is equal to 0.25. A cube value is equal to -0.125. So you have seen it here that if this is the number line system, this is origin, this is 0.25, which is the value of a square, and this is the value of a, that is 0.5, and this is the value of 0.125 minus 0.125. So you have seen it here that the value of a there is less than a's cube, is less than a square. So this is the way that you are going to define the numbers from this, that lies between -1 to 0. But if the fourth one is, if a is less than -1, suppose a is equal to -2, then a square will be equal to 4, a cube is equal to -8. So let's say it is a which is equal to -2, a square that is equal to 4, and minus a cube is equal to -8 cube. So this means a cube is less than a, is less than a square. So these are the categories in which we have defined it, the numbers between -1, 0, and 1, and before the 1 and after this +1 there. Now for the reciprocal, fifth one, let's say 1 over a 1 over a square and 1 over a cube relationship between these. As we know that the a value is, for this case, the first one, when a lies greater than 1, then 1 over a, here we have supposed a is equal to 2. So 1 over a is equal to 1 over 2, that is 0.5. 1 over a square, that is 1 over 4, that is equal to 0.25. 1 over a cube, that is equal to 1 over 8, and this means it is equal to 0.125. So you have seen it there, that if this is the value of a there, which is 0.5, then a square, that is 0.25, that is value of a, and value of a cube is 0.125, which is equal to a cube. So you have seen it there that a cube is less than a square is less than a when it is in the form of the reciprocal of this category there. Now the next part is when a is going to lie between 0 and 1 there, then 1 over, let's say a is equal to 0.5, then 1 over a is equal to 1 over 0.5, which is equal to 2. 1 over a square is equal to 1 over 0.25, that is equal to 4. 1 over a cube, that is equal to 1 over 0.125, so that is equal to 8. So this means that 1 over a is less than 1 over a square is less than 1 over a cube. So in the reciprocal, it is always reverse of the properties which are given in the simplest form of that. Now, seventh, if a is going to lie between -1 and 0, let's say a value is equal to -0.5, then 1 over a is equal to 1 over -0.5, which is equal to -2. 1 over a square is equal to 1 over 0.25, which is equal to 4. 1 over a cube is equal to -1 over 0.125, which is equal to -0.8. So you have seen it there. -8 is less than -2 is less than 4. So we can write it like this, that 1 over a cube is less than 1 over a is less than 1 over a square. Now a lies between 8th, when a lies between less than -1, then 1 over a, let's say a value is equal to -2, then it is equal to 1 over 2, that is equal to -0.5. 1 over a square is equal to 1 over a value is there 2, so it is 4, so that is equal to 0.25. 1 over a cube, that is equal to 1 over 0.125, and that is equal to So we have seen it in this part of the reciprocal that a cube is 1 over a cube is greater than 1 over a, that is less than 1 over a square. So 1 over a is less than 1 over a cube is less than 1 over a square. And if a is equal to 1, then a square is equal to 1, a cube is also equal to 1. So this means a is equal to a square is equal to a cube and so on. If a is equal to 0, then a square is equal to 0, a cube is equal to 0. So this means a is equal to a square is equal to a cube and so on. And the last one is if a is equal to minus 1, then a square is equal to 1, a cube is equal to minus 1. So you have seen it there that a is equal to a cube is equal to a5. Odd powers will have the same answers and even powers is equal to 1. So you can write it like this, that a is equal to a cube is equal to a5, which are less than a square equal to a power 4 and like that. So this is the whole sequence of these numbers in terms of a value there, where a is going to lie less than minus 1, in between minus 1 and 0, in between 0 and 1, and after 1. So these are the calculations we have done it in the values of this a there in terms of the function and the inverse of that, reciprocal of that values of a there.